In this tutorial, we will show you how to fill a W-9 form using PDF.co and Zapier. Here is the sample document that we used. First, click on the Make a Zap button to create a Zap. Next, click the PDF.co app for the app event. Under the PDF.co app, choose the PDF filler to fill out the form fields of the document. Then, let's connect the PDF.co account to perform the Zap. Now, we will show you how to get the fillable name fields. You can use the PDF Get Info tools. First, click the Helper Tools menu and select Get PDF Info. Next, click the Choose a File button and select the file you want to upload. You may now get the field name to fill out the fillable fields. Now, let's set up the configuration of the PDF filler module. Under the source PDF fields, input the link of the document where the file is located. For the fillable fields, enter the page number, name of the field, and the value. We will now do the test and review to make sure that there are no errors in our setup. Great! PDF.co processed our request successfully. You can use the URL to view the output. You can then turn the Zap on. Here's the W-9 form that we filled using PDF.co and Zapier. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.